So it was here since.
Dude, there's an iPad Pro in the trash right now. I'm gonna be so upset. Trash comes on Tuesday.
So it should be.
So there's. Should we take a trip to the dumpster?
Yours on top of that, and then he screwed on.
You'll never get it. You'll never know. Get a new one of these. Well,
Yeah,
ours
he also
sticks. His goes like this.
pliers, that way you're not like digging in there with metal on stuff if you don't have it.
I think that's why being on Thursdays, him being here on Thursdays, will sort of open up his horizon to being like, okay, maybe I need to open. We bought an Apple TV from somebody, walk-in, right?
Yeah, shit on your it works.
It works good? No remote.
No remote. I just need the password.
Canada, you need password from Canada. Okay.
Yeah, that guy's pretty good.
We should probably call him and let him know.
Okay.
He said, did you get the he did ship me this. Chano, what did, where's the box this came in? We got an iMac in, and he sent us an iPad as well. The box that he put it in, pulled the iMac out, never pulled the brand new iPad, well not brand new, used iPad Pro out of the box. So right now David's dumpster diving for an iPad Pro.
So it was here since.
Dude, there's an iPad Pro in the trash right now. I'm gonna be so upset.
Threw my iPad away.
Well, I don't even want to know. Trash comes on Tuesday.
So it should be.
So there's. Should we take a trip to the dumpster? It's currently 16 degrees outside here in Grove City, so we're gonna go. Did you get it? Are you serious? This is in the dumpster?
Yeah.
It's cold. This is a $850 iPad that we just retrieved from the dumpster. Thank you, David.
Accessories too.
Yeah, these are a $150 keyboard, $100 mouse. Yeah. So we just picked up $1,000 from the dumpster.
So you know, you should always check your local repair shop dumpster. You never know what mistakes can be made.
Was the box and like? Luckily, he got here Tuesday. He was here Wednesday and not Tuesday because that would have been gone.
When I saw the dumpster looked pretty empty from afar. I was like, oh, all right.
Okay, this is also a note to self. We have to check the box fully when we take something out of it because that's the iMac. I can't wait to message this guy and be like, dude, you literally just found it in the dumpster. And it's, I mean, this is a nice iPhone too. It's the 4th Gen 11-inch.
Yeah.
With cellular.
That's the newest, right?
Newest out, yes, correct. That's a first. That's a first. I've never thrown any working electronic in the dumpster. Actually, brand new working electronic. To say the least. Now we'll test this. It's not actually not funny.
No, it's $1,000. Like you said, that would have been like, cause what if we did sell that computer? And they're like, it didn't come with any cords.
Yeah.
Now you have to pay.
Well, we haven't necessarily checked this yet, but this is online in our store right now. So.
Yeah, that is a beautiful color too.
You like that?
That aqua, like green, teal.
So we got a bill.
Okay,
I
so
thought
you
the
tried.
screen was cracked. This is a very dramatic day, but when you first see this, would you not see that the screen's cracked?
Yeah. Right. For just the photos, it'd be 70,000.
But yes, no. Okay, I didn't do a video.
Do it.
Okay, I normally try to make the back area look a little bit better, like the background of this. So right now we're giving advertisements Taco Bell. I never have enough of these.
You want more?
No, I have. There's plenty over here, but
Okay.
even when you clean them, they're not.
Clean. Yeah.
No, they still have the.
Residue. Gum.
Yes, correct. doing the M2 boxing. Okay, can you make the shipping label? I'll box this. Which shouldn't be too hard. I think I can handle it. This will take me about... That was actually a pretty good one. I'll stick with that one. Normally I do it 10 times. Can't really do it with your left hand. That's how it's done. Well, there's a lot more that goes into it. That's the easy part. The voiceover and messing up a million times is the hard part. Did we talk to the iMac, the guy that wants to upgrade potentially?
Hydration.
It's really close. Did he get all in?
Got it all out.
In the 90s, they wanted to like rebrand themselves, so to speak. When you look at the Apple on there, there's no scale or sizing on that. So a lot of folks, when they were doing their early testing, you know, often confused it with for like a Cherry computer byte.
Oh yeah.
And then so Steve Jobs was like, yeah, okay, that's great.
Well, we normally have a lot of people, probably every week or every other week, will drop off old Apple stuff. So keyboards, mice. These are the zip disk is what they call them. Floppy disk. And there's a ton of different stuff. You get some those back there. People keep bringing those in. And then we'll put them on display in all of our shops, so that when you go into any of the shops, you'll see something unique in there, something that you don't see at your local Walmart or just on the average daily basis.
Part of history.
1 terabyte. 2017. You're gonna need it. Okay, I need that label as well, David.
It's been shipped, but it hasn't been scanned because right now my system says it's in.
Maybe we should contact him.
I mean, I just want to make sure that we get that shipped out to you, you know, 1 day shipping as soon as possible. You know what I mean? Pretty.
See, does this feel like it's doing this?
How many Apple products you got?
My personal products that I have this 14-inch MacBook. It's a 1 terabyte M1 Pro. I have the Apple Watch Ultra, which is probably my favorite. The 14 Pro Max 512 gig. Newest Apple TV, I forget what it's the 4K 64 gig. iPad Mini 6, an iPad Air 2. I have several AirTags. I don't have that many chargers. I do have a nightstand charger for my phone that is not Apple. It's Belkin, but it is. That's the night.
Oh yeah, that's that fast charger.
It's nice. It's nice. It's wireless. It has my watch. HomePod. I have an AirPod Pro 2s, Gen 2s. HomePod Mini. And then I have the HomePod, like the original first generation of the HomePod that I connect to my Apple TV for like surround sound in my bedroom. And then I have every single thing in the shop. Chano, what Apple products do you personally own?
iPhone 13.
All right.
I got.
You don't have you have AirPods?
AirPods, yeah. Third gen.
Third gen AirPods. Apple TV.
No.
Chano's more into shoes. Chano's a shoe guy. David, I'm going to guess. An iPad Pro, 1 terabyte big dog, 5th gen cellular. Pair of AirPods, iPhone 12 Pro Max. MacBook? You don't have the MacBook
No,
anymore.
I don't have MacBook. But what else have I bought from you when it comes to this place? You know, I bought the Misses here, that 12 Pro.
12 Pro,
Uh,
Apple Watch. Yeah, but like, what do you have?
Oh, what I have, I mean, you nailed it right on the head there.
Top of the line iPad. The iPad is the.
Yeah, you can't beat it. I mean, I guess you can beat it with the M2 iPad, but that's just too much power. You know, 1 terabyte, 16 gigs of RAM, cellular Wi-Fi, 12.9 inches. Got the mouse, keyboard. Woo! Work with the pencil too. Right there. Can't go wrong. Hi, Mrs. Johnson. I'm just calling to let you know.
What's going on, man?
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Shoot video right here?
Yeah, trying.
Want some Instagram content?
A lot of stuff. Everything's so individually wrapped, which is a good thing, but it's also, this is a pain.
Make sure everything's kind of clean.
What is you probably got set up is that they'll shoot back up periodically. This is one part is full, and it'll be like maybe no space left for back.
Well, I definitely have to clean this every day. I would be more.
Like on that, the sorry, new on that. So other half of it to the device, and as far as the MacBook goes, what are we doing there?
And as far as unfortunately,
It's probably like mid-1990s there.
I didn't really say nothing the whole entire time.
That was a big box.
That was it. Was well, no, the box was small, but the contents inside were valuable.
Was that just the 11 or the 11 Pro Max?
So today we found an iPad in a dumpster that we threw in the dumpster. We got a box with a lot more content. Content, the proper word? I don't know. Merchandise than the box looked like it could handle. And other than that, we're just getting people's orders out. So yeah, you're good to go. Thanks for visiting Strictly Apple's YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you can be alerted for the next videos and the news we have coming. That actually worked.
I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs.